So we're going to take half of 5/8 on our ruler or our tape measure here. So what is half of 5/8? And the way to think about it is right here is 1/8. And we have 5/8. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's our 5/8. It's a little awkward to take half of that though. So let's think about 16ths. We have our 16th right here. This is a 16th. And we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 16ths. So 5/8, that equals 10 16ths. These are equivalent fractions. And it's a little easier to take half of that. So half of this right here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here, 5 16ths. That's half of our 5/8. And you can see that. So 5 16ths. So I took half of the numerator, kept the denominator the same. And half of 5/8 is 5 16ths. That's the more conceptual way to do it, and that works. But here's a quick way to do it. We have our 5/8. That means we have 5 parts out of 8. So let's just take and say 2.5 parts out of 8 parts. So that's half of 5/8. It's a little awkward here, so we could multiply the numerator and the denominator here by 2. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So when you multiply by 1, you don't change anything. You end up with 2.5 times 2 is 5. 8 times 2 is 16. And you get that 5 16ths, which is what we got before. Last way you could do this, a little bit more math-based. So if we have 5/8 divided by 2, instead of 2, we're going to call it 2 over 1. And instead of division, if we take the reciprocal, if we move the 2 here and the 1 here, we can just say 5/8 times 1/2. And now 5 times 1, that's 5. 8 times 2, that's 16. And you get 5 16ths. So that's it. This is Dr. B finding 1/2 of 5/8 on a ruler or a tape measure. The answer is 5 16ths. Thanks for watching.